Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue in the First Descendant where the game gets stuck on connecting. It's a nice and straightforward one to fix. There's just a few simple steps that we need to take. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and we're going to search for CMD and then just right click on the command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of here, we just need to type in a couple network commands. So the first thing you're going to type in is ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter. And then we're going to type in netsh /winsock reset and hit enter. And then we can close out of this command prompt window. And we're then going to head over to our start menu and search for control panel and come over to the control panel tab. Make sure view by is set to category at the top here and then come inside of network and internet, inside of network and sharing center, and then come over to change adapter settings from the left hand side here. And then you need to locate your Wi-Fi or network that you're currently connected to. So mine's this Wi-Fi one here, and we're going to right click on this and come into properties. Come over to Internet Protocol version 4 from this list and select properties. And down at the bottom here where it says obtain DNS server address automatically, we're going to change this to use the following DNS server addresses, and we're going to change this to Google's free public DNS servers. So you just need to type in 8888 and 8844 and press OK to save these changes. Then we can close out this window. And next thing you need to do is come back over to the start menu and search for Windows Defender. Then head over to Windows Defender Firewall. And from the left, select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall. At the top here, we need to press this Change Settings button, and then we're going to add the First Descendant to this list of exceptions. Now, if you already have the game inside of here, then you can just come down to the First Descendant in this list, and just make sure both private and public are checked here. Now, if you don't have the First Descendant in this list, you'll simply need to come over to Allow another app. Click on Browse, and then you need to locate the First Descendant executable file. Now, if you're not sure where to find this First Descendant executable file, then it's usually saved within the C drive. Inside of Program Files x86, come all the way down to the Steam folder, inside of Steam Apps, inside of Common, inside of the First Descendant folder, and then you can find the First Descendant.exe, and we need to double click on this. And then we can just select Add. Now, once you have the First Descendant in this list and both private and public are checked, we can close out this window. And then you can try loading up the game and logging in to see if that's fixed the issue. Now, if you're still getting stuck on connecting, then it's likely an issue with the actual server itself. So in order to determine whether the servers are up or down, simply head over to an internet browser and come over to Google and just type in the First Descendant server status. And then head over to this first Twitter link at the top here. And any ongoing server work will usually be listed here. As you can see, this is the latest maintenance schedule, and obviously if the servers are down, that would be the reason why you're not able to connect currently. And that's it guys, if this video did help you then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.